What if this emotional short drama trailer started from one sentence? Not a giant prompt file, not 5 subscriptions, and not a week of trial and error. Today, I used Flova to turn one simple idea into a short anime drama trailer with character storyboards, model collaboration, shot revisions, timeline assembly, and a reusable skill. The one-line idea was this: a delivery girl in a floating city must return a forgotten letter before sunset because the letter can change one stranger's future. Now that could work as an anime trailer, but I suggest testing it as a short drama trailer or short anime drama. Same concept, stronger emotion, stronger cliffhanger, better serious potential. You know the problem? Normally making something like this means jumping between tools. One app for brainstorming, another for character image, another app for video generation, another app for editing, and another folder full of downloaded clips. Not only it gets expensive, it gets messy and it gets slow. Flova changes that because it works like a conversational AI video agent. You chat with it, direct it, revise it, and keep the whole production inside one workflow. Super cool, right? Let me show you how I did it. So step number 1, brainstorm the drama. So I opened Flova and typed the one-line idea. Then I asked the following: turn this into a 6-shot short anime drama trailer with a strong emotional hook. Flova gave me a mini structure: the city at sunset, the girl finding the letter, the clock tower deadline, a rooftop chase, the stranger opening the letter, and a final cliffhanger where we realize the letter was written by her future self. Then I asked Flova for visual directions that do not feel like generic anime. It suggested watercolor, risograph print, and paper stop motion. I choose risograph because it feels warm, imperfect, and memorable. For step 2, model collaboration. This is one of the Flova's biggest advantages. You are not locked into one model, right? On Flova, different models can collaborate based on what each shot needs. For an AI anime project, ChatGPT Image 2 is strong for aesthetic animation frames, polished compositions, and clean visual styles. Nano Banana is useful for generating consistent character images and reference looks. Cedars 2.0 is very suitable for smooth 3D and 2D animation shots, especially when you want expressive motion. Kling Free can be a better choice for stop motion or crafted animation textures. So for my case study, I used a character-focused model first to build the delivery girl: red scarf, oversized messenger bag, tired eyes, and a small moon-shaped hair clip. Then I used a more aesthetic image model for the keyframes, so the city, lightning, and printed texture felt cinematic. For motion, I used an animation model based on the shot style. Slow emotional shots used smooth animation. The more handcrafted test used stop motion style. Perfect. Now the important part is control. If you know what you want, you can freely choose the image and video models. If you are unsure, Flova can decide automatically. Beginners move fast while advanced creators direct the model mix. Now on to step 3, revise like a director. The final version looked good, but shot 4 felt too heroic. So I wanted the girl to look nervous, like she was carrying a secret she did not understand, right? So I told Flova, slow down shot 4, make her hesitate before jumping, and show the city lights turning on behind her. So instead of rebuilding everything, I revised the shot through conversation. I could edit storyboard text directly, drag references, assets into the workspace, compare versions, and regenerate only the parts that needed work. Now that is directing, not just generating clips. I like it. Now on to step 4, assemble the timeline. People often miss this. Flova is not just for creating separate images and videos. After generating these shots, I assemble them into a rough cut inside Flova timeline. I place the established shot first, then the character close up, then the letter, then the chase, of course, then the reveal, and finally the cliffhanger. So inside Flova, I could preview pacing, rearranging shots, test the dramatic order, and make a preliminary edit before leaving the website. Now that saves time because I don't have to download every material, rename files, import them one by one, and manually rebuild the sequence somewhere else, right? So for detailed post-production, Flova also supports exporting to PR files format, so you can continue editing in Premiere Pro or even CapCut if you want to. Now this completes the workflow: generate, revise, assemble, rough cut, export, and polish. It is not a pile of assets, it is a production pipeline. You guys like it? I'm sure you do. So for step number 5, save the scale, right? So once I like the result, I save the workflow as a scale called emotional short anime drama trailer. It kept the restore style, character rules, model choices, subtle preference, pacing notes, and camera language. If I make episode 2, I don't need to start over. I reuse the scale and keep the series consistent. Now, Flova also offers ready-to-use professional creative skills, so beginners can borrow expert workflows in one click, while experienced creators can build their own reusable style library. So yeah, if you stick so far, here's the result. Finally, I had a short anime drama trailer about a delivery girl, a mysterious letter, and a future self twist. More importantly, I had the full process in one place: concept brainstorming, model collaboration, shot revision, timeline assembly, export options, and reusable skills. So yeah, the traditional workflow is fragmented. Flova gives you elite AI models, a creative team, and an editing suite in one platform. For AI, anime, short dramas, ads, or social content, that means less tool juggling and more directing. Awesome, right? Yes, indeed. Flova starts at just $19 per month, guys. Instead of paying over $120 for a scattered AI stack, use the link in my description to register and get 200 credits immediately, plus 200 credits every week if you log in. Invite your friends, and each referral earns another 200 credits, up to 2,000 credits in total. Now, that's some great news. So do try it out. With one sentence, make a short drama trailer, assemble it on the timeline, save your skill, then turn one idea into a repeatable series. Link in description, go check it out. And don't forget to like the video if you find it useful. As well, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And very important, don't forget to subscribe, of course, for more videos and case studies on the best AI tools on the planet. Bye-bye.